So today I'm working on this idea of building a crazy kind of new synth using some really old samples from back in the days of the Amiga 500s and things. And the reason why is because basically they sound quite cool. So have a listen to this. This is basically this is an Amiga emulator on my Mac playing an old mod song inside a program called Octamed. So here we go. It's got a real distinctive sound. Basically, I want to use that sound in my Space Jazz album. So what I've done is I've rigged up this old piece of equipment. You might remember these from back in the day. It's an Akai sampler, S3000XL. And basically, what I want to do is I want to take some of these sounds because they sound really cool because they're kind of bit crushed and a bit gnarly, and nobody else is really doing much with them these days. So I thought I'd be the first to bring them back into the forefront. So here we go. This is what they sound like anyway. So basically, I've taken those, plugged them in to the back of the sampler. And basically here's a few that I've got already in there. So now I'm playing them from the sampler, from my old... Yeah. Kind of maybe... listen to this one maybe? Ah. That's the kind of idea. Okay, so I quite like this sound here. This is it's called I called it. Okay, you can't see, but it's called toy brass. Okay. Okay, this is a tune called Red and Yellow Frog. I'm going to try that sound out. Something like that. And finally, with a few effects and a little bit of a Moog filter, it's going to sound like this. Suitably amphibian-like, I think.